So you're thinking about buying a house and you have no idea where to start. There's so much to think about. So over the next few minutes, we're going to give you the basics to get you off on the right foot. Before you do anything, you should meet with a lender first. The four main things you're going to uncover with your lender is how much you can afford, do I need a down payment, and how much, and what's your credit score, and what would the debt to income ratio be on what you're looking to buy. Your mortgage lender will need a bunch of information like where you work, how much money you make, etc. before they can pull credit. Now once your credit is established, we can then start putting the pieces of the puzzle together. Now there are so many different loan options like first-time home buyer options. Even if you're buying a second or third home, there are a variety of low or no down payment programs. And if you want to avoid having to pay private mortgage insurance or PMI, then you're going to need to have at least 20% down. Now because everyone's personal situation is so different, we need to take the time and explore what options are best for each borrower. Now your credit score will also determine whether or not you can qualify for a loan. A credit score below 620 typically won't qualify you for a loan. However, at Dakota Land FCU, we want to look at every situation because we do offer some in-house programs that might help someone. Now, credit will dictate your interest rate that you will be paying. The better the score, the lower the interest rate. Typically, a score over 740 will get you the best rates. Debt to income determines how much you can afford. There are two ratios your lender will determine. Your housing only ratio, which takes your housing payment against your income, and then your total expenses or liabilities, including your new proposed house payment, against what your monthly income is. The total debt to income ratio varies from lender to lender, but most want to see that total liability below 50%. Most will want to see it around that 43-44% range. Once it's established with your lender that you do qualify for financing, we will give you a number that you qualify for, and then the fun begins. Start looking at homes. Now the next step is connecting with a realtor. Now a local realtor is your best bet to help you find that perfect home. You can save a lot of time looking online at area homes via a variety of different real estate websites, but working with a local realtor will help with you getting connected with the homes that you want to consider. They're going to negotiate on your behalf with the sellers and or sellers agents and get you the best value for the home that you're looking for. Between your realtor and mortgage lender, that team will take care of 90% of everything that needs to be done to get you into a new home. When you find a home that you want to buy, your realtor will then connect with us and provide the necessary information we need to move forward. Behind the scenes, a lot of things are going to be happening. One of the most important phases of the buying process will be getting an appraisal on the property that you want to buy. That appraisal will determine the value of the home you want to buy and make sure the value supports what you're going to pay and assures us, the lender, that it too is worth what you're paying. Now this is just the very basic outline of what the process looks like. But working with experienced mortgage lenders and realtors will make the process very smooth. Your first step is to meet with one of the mortgage loan officers at Dakota Land. You can stop in any of our branches throughout Central and Northeast South Dakota and start the application process. Now, while there are many benefits to working with Dakota Land, besides very competitive rates and fees, the number one reason to get your home loan with us is that you make your payments to us. We service all the loans we offer, with the exception of South Dakota Housing Loans. You always make your payments to your local Dakota Land Federal Credit Union. So start the process today by going online at dakotalandfcu.com and start an application today. You don't have to be a member to talk with us, but when you're done, you will want to be a member.